Morning folks, I think I'll just slide a quick video on natural gas in here while I've got a chance. The market's going to open in about an hour's time. First of all, let's look at the NYMEX Henry Hub day chart, and you'll notice a couple of interesting things here. First of all, you can see the contract rollovers today, 27th of February, and it has rolled over. There we go, it's 1.75, just a little rollover gap. That's the day chart on Henry Hub. The other interesting thing on this chart is this inverse hammer candle pattern, which sort of reversed at 1.5. It is a reversal pattern. It's occurred at the major support of 1.5. Doesn't mean we're going to hold this level. We've got this reversal pattern, this inverse hammer, followed by the gap up, a little weekend gap yesterday, and then this little rollover gap. So overall, that pattern looks quite constructive. We are holding support. It does not mean we're not going to test below 1.5. Check out some of my previous videos. Supports are roughly at 1.5, 1.4, and even down to about 1.3. But so far, this collection of candles, I think, is quite constructive. There's the 20-day moving average. We've got to close above that to get the momentum moving in the right direction. So far, we haven't done so yet. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Just in this last 4-hour candle, we bounced off the 1.7 level. There's the 50-day moving average. There's the 100-day moving average. Notice that we're above the 50-day, which is pretty good, but we're below the 20 and below the 100. So we've got to break up through this resistance level. I think the next target is probably $2. That's been a major key psychological support level for a long time. And now that we've broken underneath it, we probably need to retest it at least from the underside. Also notice that the 200 period moving average on the 4 hours up there as well. It doesn't mean we're not going to burst through 2 and get up to 2.2, 2.4, 2.5, even 2.7. But at this point, I don't think the seasonal and supply-demand situation warrants a target much more than about $2 or $2.20. So far, so good, folks. We're long and aiming for $2. I'll decide what to do if and when we get there. If not, I'll continue to look to buy into dips starting at about 1.6 and then maybe 1.5. And if we did break beneath A, which I think is the less likely but not impossible scenario, then I'll be looking to buy below 1.52. Have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you soon.